How to make fried rice. Making fried rice needs some ingredients that have to prepare, such as white rice, eggs, salt, onion, garlic, chili, cooking oil, and the additional ingredients. Directions to make fried rice. First, prepare a frying pan and pour the cooking oil. Second, switch on the stove. Third, put the garlic, onion, and chili, then stir them all. Fourth, add the appropriate additional seasoning. Fifth, stir well with a spatula. Sixth, put the egg. Seventh, put white rice, then salt. Stir until mixed with all ingredients. And finally, the fried rice is ready to be served. These are the steps of making fried rice. So, what is your favorite food?